What's up, guys? In this video you're going to learn how to tie a balloon, which might seem a little simple, but it can be a challenging thing for some people. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start off with, of course, airing up the balloon. Alright, and then from here we're actually going to let some air out. So we call this a burp, and this makes it easier to twist the balloon. It doesn't pop on you as easy, and it's also better to tie it off. So from here you can let the air out through this hand, just like that, or you can cut it off with this hand and then let go like that. So you're cutting the air out from there and just let it go. And then from here you can grab the nozzle, wrap around these two fingers like that, okay, and then you're gonna tuck it through that area right there. So it's kind of like tuck it through. Show you again. Grab the nozzle and then push it through with your thumb, and then grab it with your index finger and your thumb. So it's kind of like a rolling motion. So push it through, grab it with your thumb, pull it out, pull your fingers out. Alright guys, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give my video a thumbs up. Stay tuned, subscribe to see more videos coming out about how to balloon twist and all that. And if you don't have your supplies, check the description down below and where to get it. Alright, thanks you guys.